Now people, I'm showing you all the mattress that my 2-year-old son, that our 2-year-old son, that's the pie man, the red pie man who sells pie on the promenade opposite the Express building. That's the man who I'm talking about. This is the mattress that his 2-year-old son has been sleeping on for the past year and more. I remember putting me in my son's room with this mattress last year. And for the past year I've been telling him, the child need a bed, the child need a bed. This mattress and the old iron structure the mattress on. He said yes. I nagging because my son liked to pull off his sheet and lie down on this mattress just so. As a mother just called my blood, but we waiting. I don't know the man's financial situation. I know he have a 5-month-old, a 2-month-old. I'm home. I still went for work because somebody we don't want to carry the children by no babysitter, so I forsake my work and stayed in with them. And you tell me this man went with a woman, his outside woman. You tell me to take out a new bed and mattress for her. Why this is what your son sleeping on in the house that you are living in? How you feeling as a father to know this is what your son sleeping on and you take out a bed for a woman? What kind of crazy people it have in this world? It have more mad people outside than inside. What kind of fathers it have today would do this to their child? Look at the stove we cooking on. This is a 6-burner stove, only 2 half working. He take out a stove for her, and this is the stove I was having to cook food for the same man for Christmas. And he would have watched me struggling, cooking all these dishes. I might just stay whole day to cook this food. And he would have sit down and eat and lick his finger, knowing that he take out a brand new stove for his outside woman. And wouldn't have been eating there for Christmas but by me. He'd have be home. Huh? What kind of wicked man is this? What kind of heart this man have? I put them out. I put them out. When I get the bill in the mail, I put them out. To God be the glory. If I did not get the standard mail, the standard bill in the mail, I would have never known this man paying for these things behind my back. $26,000 in items for an outside woman. While you live, look at the condition of the things in your house. You selling whole day in the rain, falling, you're getting wet in the promenade, sun shining, you working hard. Leaving your 3:30 in the morning, he comes on 9 in the night. And this is what you do with your money. Spend it on an outside woman. And this is what you coming home to. And he sleeps on this mattress, you know. He sleeps on the same mattress with his son sometimes. This man is a fool. For what? Vice? 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 This is what in this man's house. The pie man in the promenade, this is what he have in his house. You all see the bill that is we take out for a woman, $26,000 in new things. And this is how this man have his house. Look at the stove. Look at the stove. Foolish man you are. Now this is the kitchen area. Look, we have no cupboards. This is going on the 3rd year that we have no cupboard door. And this man knows that we need this cupboard door to be built. We have no stove in the kitchen. I put out the stove because the stove actually 2-burner half working, which it has taken me hours to cook. I bear him with that. You understand me? Bear him with this man saying where we go, you know, we'll take all these things for Christmas. We talk about it. He knows we need this thing. We have no table in the kitchen for the longest while. Since my since June, this table break. That person, I must say, alright, he knows that he had no table. We wouldn't buy back no glass table because our big son will jump on it. He knows that. So I being as a woman, it's hard for me in the kitchen and having a table to eat on, a table to rest things on. I sacrificing and bearing with that. Humbling myself as a good woman, as some of our women are. Thinking I know this man have it hard, minding 2 babies, so myself have things to do, but have it hard, but he can carry a outside woman to let she point out things in standards and take out what she wants. And we don't have anything inside here. And this is the house where he lives in. He lives here. This way he comes home every night and almost every night and sleep. Because right now he tell me he's sleeping Friday out. But he ain't doing that because I catch him. He planned to go and sleep by the woman every Friday. But I catch him. So it have none of that anymore. So all them thing he paying for, another man go lie down and enjoy it. And this is where this man living. Every Sunday this man does make tea. And whatever eating, this is our table. This is where everybody, I have to eat. He have to eat. We doing that for the past 6 months. He and all us eat this, eat there, and telling me you going to take out $26,000 in furnitures for a woman. And this is the state of your house. This is the state of your house. Huh? This is the state of your house. Huh? Where you could have built cupboard, buy a proper stove to cook on. For I to cook on and prepare them children things. Our son doesn't have a table to sit down on and eat breakfast. So he don't always sit down by a table for the past 6 months and eat breakfast. Eat lunch, eat nothing. And you going to shop for a woman. $26,000 in items. Boy, you're the most foolish man I ever know. You live in your house, we're living undone. Your 2 little babies are 5 months old and a 2 month old. And you choosing a woman for what? Sex. It's all because of sex. Huh? Sex and what she getting you? Oral sex? Eh? Oral sex too? Some suck you do all this for? Huh? Deny you, eh? Leaving your children undone, your own home undone. This is where you live in. Furnishing a woman apartment. But you know what? A man will enjoy your labor. I will make sure of that.